Okay, you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Oh, what is this? What is that? Is that oatmeal? Oh, yes, that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Is that good? Oh, yum, yum, yums. Oh, num, num, nums. Oh, you're very helpful. Very helpful. More, more. Okay. Good job. Mama forgot to bring over some napkins. That was so good. Yum, 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 yum. Is that good? Are you watching yourself eat your food? Yeah, hands don't really need to be involved, just FYI. Yummy, yummy. Gotta make sure to get it down there. Good job. We like our food. Yeah. Yes, delicious. Delicious. Okay. You just want your hand. You must not be starving to death because usually you pull your spoon to your mouth like you're starving. Yeah. You got it all over your hand. Yum, 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 yum. I have an oatmeal in Sweden. Let me get you all right in Mom's pants. Get you a little rag here. Thank you. There we go. You really don't have to put your hand in there every time. Num 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 num. Num 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 nums. Good. You're gonna be totally sticky by the time this is over. It's good stuff. We're a fan of food, huh? Say bye.